Commercial growers use sand beds a lot to grow all kinds of hardy nursery stock in containers. But really we haven't used that idea as gardeners very much, and I find it very useful. If you've got a whole series of plants in pots and you're going on holiday, for example, keeping them well watered can be quite tricky, and all you need is just a few pieces of timber to make a bed lined with sand, and you stand the plants on it. I just lift that one out and you come in and look. You can see it slopes slightly down to this end. There's about an inch or so of fine silver sand, and if I put the hose at the top of the bed and then really flood it, then the plants can take up what water they need without being waterlogged or dry for 3 or 4 days. If a neighbour has to come in while you're away, then the instructions are quite straightforward. You just put the hose at the top of the bed, run it for a few minutes until the sand is completely wet, and you've got no need to worry about watering.